Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to close out a debit spread on Robinhood. So if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icons so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. And if you haven't already and you're interested in signing up and getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400, be sure to check out that Webull referral down below in the description. And when you sign up using my referral link, not only do you get 2 free stocks, but it also helps the channel out. So for those of you who use it, thank you. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so like I said at the beginning of this video, in this video, we're going to be going over how to close a debit spread. And just as a bonus, because I know closing a debit spread can be kind of hard to get out of quickly because there's not as many people who want to buy it at that price. I'm going to show you 2 ways to get out of a debit spread. One of them is my personal favorite, and it will actually get you out of that spread fast. So be sure to watch to the end to see the second way, and I will actually go through it with you because I have a spread that we can close. All right, so now that that's said, let me get my phone and let's hop into handy dandy Robinhood. All right, so here we are on the handy dandy Robinhood, and looking at it, I actually have 2 spreads on Robinhood, but I'm only going to close out of 1. So first, let me show you how we would close out of 1. All right, so since I legged into this spread, I'm going to have to do it different. I can't just go to the actual spread and click close. I'm going to have to do it like this and press select. So I'm going to hit trade options, and then I'm going to go to the date that the contracts expire on. And then I have a spread right here, but this isn't the spread that I want to get out of. This is the spread I want to get out of. So if I want to get out of the spread, what I would have to do is I'd have to hit select. And on the ones that I bought, I'm going to have to make sure I'm on sale. So where it says +1, I have to, right now I'm on sale, so I check it right there, and then I would go over to the buy tab, and then I would check the one that says -1. So as you can see right now, it's valued at a total credit of 1. Right now you can see the ask for this is $3 and there are no bids on this. So this way it's looking like if I put in this order, it wouldn't get filled anyway. So now let me show you the way that I consider the cheat code, a way that I think it will help you tremendously when you're trying to get out of spread. So yeah, let's go back to the options screen, close out of that one, or just hit cancel. And then you're going to start with the one that you sold, because you can't sell the one that you bought first in the spread. So first you're going to start off by buying back the one that you sold. So it's $11. I'll buy it back. Buy it back for $11. Boom, I'm out of that leg. Now I'm going to go sell back the other leg. So let's go. That other one is here. Let me just go to the option chain just so I don't get confused. Okay, so that other one is right here for $12. Oh wait, gotta make sure I'm on sell and not buy. I was on buy, but okay, so now we're gonna sell out of this for $12. And it didn't go through, but I just want to be out of the spread. So let me show you what to do if the spread doesn't go through. So I'm going to replace the order. I'm going to do it at the bid price so that it gets filled faster. And the bid price right here, it says it's 0.11. So I'm going to change this to 0.11 and swipe up. And I am now out of that spread. And looking back at Walmart, I am now completely out of the spread. And that is going to be the way that you're going to close out of a debit spread fast. So if you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps the channel out and it really helps to grow the family. Also, if for some reason you watched this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. I make new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.